Hey everyone, welcome back to Antech IT Solutions. Today we have an exciting product to unbox, test and review. It's an EZVIZ C6N 4MP Wi-Fi camera. Alright, let's start the unboxing. The EZVIZ C6N Wi-Fi camera comes in a sleek and a compact design. On the front we have a clear image of a camera which clearly says 2K 4 megapixel, and on the other side we can find some key features and specifications. First up we have motorized pan and tilt of 360 degree. Secondly, motion detection followed by the smart tracking, two-way talk, night vision, view from anywhere, Wi-Fi 2.4 GHz support, SD card supports up to 256 GB. Secure cloud storage where you can store all your CCTV footage. First we shall remove the plastic cover from the box. After opening the main box we have a small another box with some accessories inside, a user guide with the QR code on it, and finally we have our main camera. Let's keep this camera aside and open this small box. In this small box we have a 3-meter long USB type A to micro USB cable. Then we have a USB charging brick with an output of 5 volt and 2 ampere out of the box. A wall or a ceiling mounting kit with a pack of screws. A user guide to drill holes for the mounting purpose. Now let's get back to our main product, the camera itself. The body of a camera is made up of plastic, but it is fully secure. On the bottom of our camera we have product information with the serial number and a QR code. On the back side of the camera we have an Ethernet port so we can connect it directly to your router or a network switch as per your need. Besides Ethernet port we have a micro USB port for powering on the Wi-Fi camera. Slightly about USB port and the Ethernet port we have in speaker grills. This will help us to communicate. So finally let's turn on our camera first of all. After powering on the camera you will see a red light glowing, so you need to wait for some time. Once camera is powered on you will hear a sound and a blue light will start blinking. First of all, you need to download EZVIZ application from your Play Store or the App Store and create your login ID if you are a first time user. Then press plus symbol or add device icon on the top right side of your application. Select camera. Now scan the QR code from the bottom of the camera. If the device is powered on and blue light is blinking, just check that mark. Select Wi-Fi which has 2.4 GHz and enter the password and then press next. Wait for some time to camera to be registered. Select the time zone as per your country and date format as per your need. Now camera is added to your profile. Simply select the camera from the list and use the function like pan and tilt, PTZ options and any other. Now let's mount this camera on the ceiling. First apply the drill guide on the ceiling to drill the holes on the mounter. Once all the 3 holes are done, screw the mount on the ceiling with all the 3 screws. Once all the 3 holes are done, screw the mount on the ceiling with all the 3 screws. Now mount the camera on the ceiling. Provide the power to the camera via the micro USB provided in the box. Wait for device to turn on and enjoy your device.